Check this out, contracts are getting pretty popular, especially for those DIY projects. People are loving it, saying it's a top pick. The blade on this thing vibrates like crazy, hitting up to 40,000 times a second, which makes cutting through stuff way quicker and easier. It's not picky either, it can slice through materials like MDF, acrylic, leather, and even carbon fiber. And hey, if you've got a big job ahead, no sweat, the contract knife comes with 5 different blade types in the regular kit and a whopping 40 classic blades as extras. This thing's been a hit, pulling in over $300,000 on Kickstarter, and it's gone global, from the USA all the way to South Korea. You can snag the basic kit on Kickstarter for $409. With just a simple tap of a button, any remodeling task transforms into a dazzling laser display. But enough with the jokes. This light proves itself to be quite useful, doubling up as a substitute for a traditional bubble level. Thanks to its circle guides, even those new to the craft can bore a hole with precision, whether it's straight into the wall or the material being worked on. Moreover, it adapts seamlessly to any surface curvature. You have the option to select between red and green circle markers to suit your preference. Manufacturers claim that around 100 million individuals engage in drilling activities daily. So, if your friends fall into this category, you now have an excellent gift idea on your hands. This ingenious gadget goes by the name of the BullseyeBore Core and is priced at $130. The Eveook system is widely utilized by cleaners, solar panel and satellite dish installers, roofers, and a range of professionals. It boasts a quick installation process, taking only 15 minutes without the need for nails or screws. Remarkably, it can support up to 8 individuals, each weighing up to 141 kilograms. Tested rigorously by an ISO 17025 accredited independent laboratory, it guarantees 100% full protection. According to its developers, the system's convenience can boost productivity by approximately 30%, thanks to its numerous attachment points. This feature makes it an invaluable option for addressing complex roofs with multiple slopes. Here's another nifty gadget, the elephant's trunk from GTM Professional. It's a convenient tool that allows you to tote around garden implements weighing up to 8 kilograms, handling almost any tool except chainsaws. Worn like a backpack, it features a steel cable for securing tools, lifting them above shoulder height as required. Professional gardeners have been quite pleased with the elephant's trunk, with over 10,000 units sold. The elephant's trunk 3 is available for $405.50. The Makita XSA01, featuring 4 speeds and 5 nozzles, it's a versatile tool suitable for various applications. Compact at just 18 centimeters, it's ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces. An essential weapon against dust, cobwebs, and debris, it achieves air velocities of up to 719 kilometers per hour. Powered by the 18-volt LXT 6-amp-hour battery, it can operate for up to 55 minutes. You can snag this tool without the battery for $194. Alroc has been honing their craft in crafting tools for stripping and preparing cables across various voltage ranges for over 25 years. Let's delve into how they streamline this process. Take, for example, the CWB1244. It simplifies the task of removing the semiconducting screen, typically necessitating silicone grease. As the name suggests, its working diameter spans from 12 to 44 millimeters, with the added perk of being able to adjust layer thickness in 0.1 millimeters increments. Now, onto the CWB1860, which shares similarities. Can you guess its working diameter? For a more compact and futuristic option, there's the J1R1, capable of effortlessly removing insulation and sheathing from wires ranging from 6 to 21 millimeters in diameter. At only $4, this silicone lid is hailed as a lifesaver, worth its weight in gold. Bid farewell to pesky stains and spills with ease. What's more, the retractable nozzle is a game changer, easily folding to transform this product into a regular lid. Its airtight seal ensures your paint or wood stain stays fresh without drying out. Stack cans with these lids worry-free. With various versions available, including one for 3.8-liter cans, it's rumored to be compatible with most plastic and metal cans on the market, as long as the paint or wood stain is water-based. In 2021, STIHL achieved record revenues exceeding $5.4 billion, a testament to its enduring success. But let's dive into their product lineup. Even a simple STIHL sharpening tool commands a price of $25. However, the value matches the cost. It's a versatile solution equipped with 3 distinct blades, catering perfectly to scissors, pruning shears, axes, knives, and beyond. Enhanced with tungsten carbide and diamond sharpened blades, durability is guaranteed. Moreover, the brightly colored polymer handle ensures easy spotting of the tool amidst your toolbox or bag. Introducing another brilliant concept from Titan, a combination paint roller and paint sprayer. This innovative hybrid integrates flawlessly with maxi extension poles, extending up to 180 centimeters, perfect for tackling ceilings and facades. With this setup, the painting process becomes 4 times faster, even for those with less experience. The roller is detachable, and you have the option to add a guide wheel if necessary. The basic kit, excluding an extension, comes with a 23 centimeters wide roller and spray head, priced at $223. Let's check out the Walcom Evo 360 mask. It's not your average filter, it kicks it up a notch by purifying 99.8% of incoming air while also giving it a cool touch, directing about 20% of airflow to your forehead. Depending on the mode, it can keep going for a solid 18 hours. Plus, you get a kit with 27 filters and a STIHL anti-spark mesh thrown in. The manufacturer promises protection against vapors, gases, smoke, and dust. This bad boy is ATEX certified, making it safe even in explosive environments. And hey, it's got a protective film on the see-through visor, kinda like those cool racing helmets. Oh, and did I mention it's super lightweight at just 2 kilograms? But wait for it, it's priced at $3,500. Check out the Wolfcraft handheld keyhole saw. It's got a 5mm diameter, perfect for getting into those tight spots and funky shaped holes. Basically, it's your go-to for putting in sockets and switches. What's cool is the tip, it screws right into drywall, just like a self-tapping screw. Plus, the handle's in 2 parts, making it comfy to hold and giving you great control. It's 275mm long overall, with a working length of 175mm. And get this, it's only $6. Last but not least, we introduced the BullseyeBore Push Stick, meticulously crafted to elevate safety levels when operating table saws. Equipped with replaceable rigid EVA foam tips, it ensures a firm grip on your workpiece. As they meet the blade, they glide smoothly without causing any harm or showering you with splinters. Additionally, the BullseyeBore absorbs vibrations, leaving no marks on your workpieces and providing optimal slip resistance. The PP1 version of this essential tool is available at a price point of $20.